Stihl Chainsaw MS180C won't start. Good spark, good fuel, 100 pounds compression. Brought to me with broken starter rope. Gas in tank, no oil mix. Seems may been run on plain gas and locked up, and that broke the rope. I replaced starter coil, carb, and spark plug and no start. Any idea on my problem would sure be a help. I have even tried starter fluid. Thanks, Ken.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is. Will be happy to assist you. Ken, are you saying that your engine will not start, even if you spray a burst of starter fluid directly into your carburetor? I suggest that you remove your muffler and look into your cylinder to see if your piston and cylinder is scored. What are you using for check for spark to your spark plug? Just to be sure, I would remove your flywheel and check the condition of your flywheel key. You and I can continue from here.
I sprayed ether into the carb with no luck. I have a tester that goes into the plug wire and to the plug and shows the spark in a clear glass in the tester, and it is a strong spark. It seems like on/off switch is in the off position.
Thanks for your response. Have you removed your muffler to check for scoring on your piston and cylinder? Also, check to see if your engine will start when your muffler is off.
No, I have not gone to the shop yet this am to remove the muffler, but I will in a bit. And I will try it with muffler off. I will let you know, Donald. Thanks.
An engine needs 3 things in order to start up and run: fuel, spark, and compression. You have good spark. The starting fluid is serving as your fuel. Your spark plug is new. I am curious about the condition of your piston and cylinder, and your flywheel key.
Donald, the first pulled the muffler, and from what I can see of the piston and walls, they look real normal. The rings may be stuck, but still I have good compression, and if they were not sealing it would not be that bad. Now the safety lever and FRT of the handle, can that prevent it from starting? Push that lever forward and it locks the chain, pull it back and the chain moves real easy. Let me know what you think. I cannot pull the flywheel until I get the okay from the owner, but they may not want to put a lot of money into it. It may be Monday before I can get an answer from them.
Your chain brake will not prevent your engine from starting. You can get back with me on Monday. Take your time. We can continue from here.
Donald the first figured it out, and it runs like a new one now. So simple and the least expected. Plug gap was too large. It was set about 32 to 25 and it had to be set at 0.020. Fired on first plug after I gaped the plug right. I was glad but upset that I didn't checked it before. Thanks for all your help, Donald. Ken.
Thank you for letting me know. I do hope all continues to go well for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.